Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. All right family, before we get started, let me give you a little bit of context of what's going on. I'm shooting this video while we still have a little bit of daylight, because most of this video will be shot in the dark, because I am leaving tonight in about 2 hours, headed back to Louisiana. This is not the last Georgia video you'll probably see, because I have a couple in the works, but it is the last video I'm shooting in the state of Georgia for this visit. Now, what's going on is I extended my vacation 4 days for one reason only. This is the Legion home, and they're having my cousin, Lisa Ray, which you probably seen in some other clips by now, or you will. It is her 60th birthday. It was yesterday. They're celebrating it tonight. My 60th birthday is tomorrow. I am traveling all night. I'm going to spend about 2 hours with her celebrating her birthday. I'm going to try to travel all night, or as long as I can, to get back to Louisiana so we can celebrate my birthday with my family there. Now that we have that out of the way, you probably saw in the opening clip where I put a T-bone steak, I believe it is, in the Hot Logic using my brother's vinegar technique. I put down aluminum foil, I put down the vinegar, then I put down aluminum foil over the vinegar, and then we put in the pork chop. We season the aluminum foil. I put a little season on the top of the steak, which he doesn't like to do. He said it makes it too seasony, but I did it anyway because I do things my way. All right, family, so what we're gonna do is, when I leave here in a couple of hours, we're gonna hit the switch and turn on the Hot Logic. When I enter Florida, which is only about 40 miles away, we're gonna hit the switch and we're gonna start cooking. So the cooking process actually started in Georgia, because that's where I prepped it at. We're gonna cook it through Florida. And then when we get to Alabama, we're gonna check it and see how done it is. If it appears to be done, we'll cut it off and we'll hit it again in Mississippi. And when I get to Louisiana, I should be hooking up with my daughter, hopefully. They're in Slidell, Louisiana at a homeschool conference for their children, for their boys, my grandsons. And there we'll have coffee and breakfast. So, all right, family, y'all know what I know. And now the rest is just a wait and see game. And as we pass through states. So I think I'm gonna call this video, I cooked a steak in 5 different states. Family, y'all stand by for the next installment, because this should be a good one. I'll see y'all later on tonight, family. Peace out. All right, YouTube fam. My cousin's party was awesome. I only got to stay for about an hour. She was late, of course, fashionably late. But when they played her favorite song coming in, she danced and never stopped. Bad knees and all at 60 years old. All right, fam, we just entered the state of Florida. I know it's dark, it's hard to see you, boy, but you can hear me. We're gonna be in the state of Florida for about 2.5, 3 hours. So what I decided to do, let's get about halfway through Florida, and then we'll fire up the Hot Logic. Because if I don't wanna overcook that steak, I want it to be pristine, prime, beautiful, delicious. So we're gonna ride about 1.5 hours, and then I'll pop on the Hot Logic and we'll get started. We'll still be in the state of Florida. It still started in the state of Georgia, and we'll take it to the state of Alabama. Y'all stand by for the next installment. Peace. All right, fam. We are about 1.5 hours into the trip, which puts us about 1 hour deep into Florida. So we're going to go ahead and flip the switch. All right, family, there you have it. So we're going to ride another 1.5 hours, 2 hours before we reach Alabama, and then we'll check back in then. Y'all stay tuned.
I bet.
All right, family, we just crossed over into Alabama. I did stop and take a nap, and I left that steak cooking. So we're gonna pull here at the rest stop, and we're going to take a look at Mr. Steak and see what it's looking like. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam. And y'all can tell if I sound sleepy and tired and unenthused, it's nothing to do with y'all. Y'all can see I stopped and took about a 2-hour nap. My cousin, whose birthday is 2 days prior to mine, called me to wish me a happy birthday. And she woke me up from a 2-hour nap. And so that steak was cooking. I tried to take a nap earlier today, and all I did was toss and turn and toss and turn. So that was totally unsuccessful. All right, fam, let's take a quick glance at this steak. If we got enough light, I believe we do. Whoo-hoo! Bam, that looks awesome. Look at those juices in there. That looks fantastic. I wonder if there's any, if there's any of that vinegar left underneath there. Nope. There's a little residue, but it's pretty much dry to vinegar. And maybe it fumigated through. That is going to be delicious, fam. All right, fam. Like I said, we just crossed over into Alabama. And so we're going to cut that steak off, let it rest a while. When I cross over into Mississippi, we'll cut it back on so we can get some Mississippi cook in. And then after Mississippi, it should be, it'll be Louisiana. And yeah, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana. Yep, then we'll be in the Louisiana. So when we get to Louisiana, I'm gonna hook up with my daughter. It should be about breakfast time, because right now we're looking at about 2:50, almost 3 o'clock. So it should put us right at 6 o'clock, and we'll call it breakfast time, and we'll try that steak out. 1 steak, 5 steaks. Family, I'm enjoying this. I think this is going to be a cool video. All right, family, I'll catch y'all in the next installment. Y'all bear with your boy. Peace. All right, family, we are in state number 4, the great state of Mississippi. Mississippi. Yeah, that one. All right, family, let's check our steak. Last time we checked it, to be honest with you, I think she was just about ready to be eaten. I made the mistake of when I pulled over to take my nap, I did not cut it off. And I think I should have, and then picked the cooking back up as when I was driving. Look at that, family. Oh my, look at that moisture though. So there's no chance of it drying out right now. So it is currently on, and I think, let me see. Yep. I think it's gonna be okay. We're gonna let it keep cooking. I think it's gonna be all right, fam. We're gonna be in Mississippi about another hour. Boom. Not bad. Man, gas is cheaper here, $3.06. In Georgia, it was like $3.50. Man, they must have to pump that stuff in from Saudi Arabia or something in Georgia. That is pathetic. All right, fam, so we're gonna go ahead and close this back up. We're gonna let it keep cooking for the next hour. You'll see that pretty face in the middle of the night. And as Beyonce says, I woke up like this. Woo! Yeah, baby. Man, it is currently about 4 o'clock in the morning, and I feel pretty good. I'm going in and get me a cup of coffee, get me a Boost. Matter of fact, I'm going to buy one of those Boost coffee, I think it is. And that should take us into Slidell, Louisiana, or thereabouts. And that's where my daughter, my son-in-law, and my 2 grandsons are. All right, family, so we're going to stop babbling, cut the light off, lock the Jeep up, head inside, get us a cup of coffee. And if y'all are at a gas station, especially in the middle of the night, make sure you lock your vehicle when you walk away. I have a bad habit because I'm from a small town. I'll leave my key in the vehicle and go in the gas station and never know what could happen. All right, family, I will catch y'all when I get back to the Jeep, or we'll catch you in the next segment in the next state of Louisiana. 1 state, 5 states. Good morning, how are you? Coffee! Cup, large cup. I am ready. All right, YouTube family, I have officially made it to my family. My daughter, my son-in-law, my grandsons, they're in that cabin, sleep. We're in Independence, Louisiana. Check this out. This is called Indian Creek. Hey, buddy. Hey, I'll be in a minute. It's cold out here. I know. I'll be in a minute. Let me finish up my video. All right, fam, that's my grandson. We're gonna go ahead and make quick work of this. 5 states, this is our 5th state. We cut the Hot Logic off about a half hour ago, and now we're gonna pull it out. If you can see, we're at a campground, so I'm gonna just use that picnic table. We're gonna unplug and set up over next to the picnic table. We're gonna do a quick taste test and see exactly how this steak tastes. After 5 hours, 5 states. Hello, Roman. Hey, buddy. Hey. It's my other grandson, Roman. Hey, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, buddy. All right, I'll be back.
On video?
Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. I'm finna go finish up this video. Tell YouTube hi.
Hi, YouTube.
I'll be back. Go back inside. It's cold. All right, family. You see they're ready to wish Papa a happy birthday. So let me get y'all set up right here. I usually keep a fork in the back of this thing. Let's go ahead and pull this steak. We're gonna do a quick taste test. See, can I get myself in the shot? There we go. That's better. Oh yeah. Bam, take a look at that. Beautiful. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. I love you. Y'all get back in out of this cold. The temperature done drop. Get back inside. I'll be in there in a minute. All right, family. I could not find. I wonder how sturdy this thing is. Anyway, I couldn't find my steel knife, so I went with a plastic knife, and that'll tell us how tender this steak is. 5 steaks, 5 hours. Look at that, family. Still attached to the bone right there. Cooked all the way through. Actually, it's a little overcooked for my liking. If I had not fallen asleep, this thing would be perfect. All right, fam. Let's go ahead and get this a taste test. And we're going to get in there with the family and start celebrating my birthday. That is delicious. I think I'm gonna cook me an egg and make this an official breakfast. All right, family. I know this was a different kind of video, but I thought this would be cool. Leave Georgia, prep my steak in Georgia, turn it on in Florida, cook it through Alabama and Mississippi, then hit Louisiana, cut it off, let it cool off, reach my destination, and then we do a taste test. We prepped it with vinegar, we did salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, and this steak came out delicious. All due to the hot logic. One steak, 5 steaks, 1 hot logic. Family, if you've enjoyed this weird, different kind of video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. I'm going in to celebrate my 60th birthday with my family, and I will catch y'all in the next episode. Your boy Rosie. Peace.
Daddy, where's the camera? Oh boy, drove all the way to Louisiana to bring me a steak.
Whatever.
You such a good daddy. Let me have a bite of that. That's pretty good.
Not bad.
Not bad.
1 steak, 5 steaks.